Presenting next will be Mr. James Greenfield.
My name is James Greenfield. I live in Miamisburg, Ohio. First of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. More than 80 voters were challenged using the prescribed form, challenge of right to vote and correction of registration list, Ohio Form 257. Specifically, registered voters who had changed their residence from Montgomery County active registration list were brought to the Montgomery County BOE's attention. They were moved registered voters who had registered and voted in a state other than Ohio. None of those challenges were accepted for removal from statewide voter roll. At the August the 13th, 2024 MCBOE hearing, all of the 257 challenges were denied due to failure to include a screenshot of the voter's date of birth from a Gov website. At September 12th board hearing, all of the challenges were updated screenshots showing the date of birth using a .gov website to include the date of birth information as requested by the MCBOE. However, instead of accepting this additional information and investigating these issues as specified by Ohio law, the director questioned my use of a government public website to assess public voter registrations. These resubmissions with additional screenshots also were denied by the BOE. In the same September 12th hearing, I was made aware that additional evidence was in possession of the director. It wasn't disclosed in the hearing until a board member specifically asked. Then it was disclosed. The board members was then discouraged or dissuaded not to accept the evidence in a 3-0 vote. Eric Blaine was not present at the vote. In addition to these questionable decisions, hearing notices sent to challengers has misleading language regarding the requirements of their presence. The notice of challenger specific states, your presence is not required at the hearing. Yet, in spite of this clear instruction at the meeting, it was stated that since the failure to show up, their challenges were to be dismissed without any investigation or consideration. Does this make the evidence provided in the challenge not valid? In closing, we request that the MCBOE follow ORC 3501.11 Section Q and investigate the residence qualifications of challenge electors. That's my 3 minutes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I make a comment?
Member Gorman?
I would just like to note for the record that at the time we checked all that, we were reviewing them under appropriate evidence presented, and the fact that the evidence presented did not meet the requirements we had, just for the record. And I don't want to argue, just want to put that on the record.
I understand. I'm not arguing with you.
Yeah.
Is that we feel that there
I
is
know.
voter integrity. We're all in the same
I
group
understand
trying to preserve our rights to vote,
Right.
and not to have our vote disillusioned by some other actor. And I think cleaning voter rolls would be a very important thing to help protect and secure.
I understand your position. Thank you.
Yep, for the record. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.